As your principal, I want to thank you for joining our first virtual open house for our CTE Center. We have a great pride and tradition in our center, and we would like you to become a part of that family. I encourage you to view the many successful programs that we have to offer, and when you see what you're interested in, please apply. Tons of alumni, including myself, have had the opportunity to walk through the halls of Woonsocket High School and our CTE Center, and we know the great things that it can do for you and the value that it offers. After viewing, if you need more information, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are here for you, and we would love for you to become a part of our family.
Every one of our teachers treats the students that they have in front of them like it was their child. That's key, because that's how much we care for what's happening to this student. We're giving essential skills, and the industries that we have here are essential industries. So you may come in and you may think of the automotive industry as somebody that's a mechanic, but it's not. You've got logistics, people that are working the trucking, the train systems, the air systems. All of that stuff fits underneath that one boat. So we're looking at careers, we're not looking at jobs. And so when a student comes here, we're giving them the opportunity to explore through whatever they wanted to do, wherever they want to go, and the opportunity to go, that one's not for me, but this one is. And to learn that now, rather than at 23, 25, or 29, is a fantastic thing.
You're not just a member of the Career and Tech Center, but you're also a member of the high school community. You get to become a part of the Woonsocket High School community. You have the access to the same courses as students that are at the high school, such as, like AP courses, the honors courses, JROTC. You're getting the quality of an education that a lot of people would pay tuition for, and it's tuition free for high school students in the area.
We take students from all districts. Anybody in the northern region, if they come here, transportation is free, tuition is free. We take care of the student. Putting that student out there who's going to be successful, well-rounded, has certain skills that they can count on, but also has the ability to think and do math and English and write and do resumes is super important.
A lot of CTE centers are standalones. Ours, it's a mixture, and it's right behind the high school, so it's one campus. Throughout their days, they're all in one building together. So it's a closeness that they create that is very unique.
I tell you how many kids we have here that are siblings of other kids that we've had. And that's just because, once a family has one student go through and have an experience with the Career and Tech Center and have an experience with the teachers and the professionals that we have working here, a no-brainer that the next sibling or the next kid is going to be going to that school. I think really speaks to the experience that people are having.
Career and technical education is driven for people to finish whatever they're doing, whether it's college or whether it's high school or whether it's a trade school. We're preparing you for all of those things, so that way you can make your choice up going out. They went from this 9th grade student, this 13, 14-year-old person, into somebody who's just so in control of their destiny.
There are a number of our students that do get college credits. So they can be taking classes at the high school level, but then they're also taking part in classes at CCRI or Central Maine University. And at the end of your 4 years in school, you not only receive a diploma, but then you also get a certificate of completion from the Career Center. And then, depending on what program you're in, our students graduate with a number of other certifications showing that you're ready for, the real world. You're ready to either jump into higher education or jump right into your career.
We're all about options. The more options you have, the more choices you can make, the better off you'll be later on in your life. Our students have gone to Princeton, Harvard. We have students that have gone to Brown University out of our health careers program.
Almost 1/3 of our staff are Woonsocket High School grads. So that tells you the investment that they have in the school community and what the community has done for them to want to come back home and give back.
We want to continue to keep up the good work that we've been doing with the programs that we have, and always looking to see how we can advance that and how we can better that and how we can continue to make sure that we're giving our students the best possibilities and the most possibilities.
What I'd like you to do is go visit our programs, go see where they are, find something you like and apply for it. Everything that we do here is about the student, and so take the time, Go look at everything that you can do.
When I started 8th grade, I knew construction was the one I wanted to do most of the time.
I wanted to go into a field where I could help people, and that seemed like the best option.
It's not only like automotive, it's more of everything, like wiring, construction, anything.
Getting those college credits is really helpful because the industries that you'd go into require a college degree.
The program that I'm in is graphics and printing, and I started out in sophomore year, and it particularly caught my eye when I was touring in freshman year because I thought that not only could I achieve a lot of portfolio pieces, but it was a great place for me to express a lot of artistic ingenuity and ideas that I had.
All the movies that we watch, we learn quite a bit about film studies and what goes into making a film, what goes into making photography, things like that.
We're learning how to take care of patients and how to be professional. I'm getting a college experience right here in high school.
I like it because it's pretty much hands-on learning. You have a teacher there to actually teach you and show you what you're actually doing.
I think the school is a good choice for me because it allowed me to both explore what I wanted to do and what I might have not known I wanted to do.
There is Student Council, FBLA, Skills USA, the Yearbook Committee, Creative Writing, is science programs that are after school as well. There's a lot of fall sports, there's a lot of spring sports, and there's a lot of tutoring sessions too as well. So like even if you're not going to go into extracurricular activities and you just need help with school, they're there for you as well.
You could get involved in football, soccer. I partake in wrestling as well. If you're not into sports, there's a whole bunch of academic things that you can do. Like there's a math team, there's a debate team, and there's also a SMILE program, which is based on math and science.
Right now we're learning about everything about Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator. I get to learn different things and I get to express all my creativity and all that.
When you're determined and you have a goal, you have to put in your 100% if you want 100% back. And so that's something I see in all the students here. They might be struggling, but they're pushing really hard and they're always trying their best so that they can succeed in their future.
And if they start from freshman, sophomore year until senior, they'll actually learn a lot about cars, more than the basic.
I'm in the Health Careers program and I really like it because there's a lot of different career paths to explore and it relates kind of to what I want to do in my future.
The reason I like the Child Studies program is because it shows us how to become like a teacher's assistant, and we're certified in so many things like CPR and first aid training, and you get your teacher's assistant certification right when you leave the program.
We're not just given teachers, we're given friends and we're given mentors to help us throughout our high school career.
Being here, I got a lot of opportunities. Put yourself in positions to be great in life, and that's what the school has given me.
I'm learning all about customer service, tourism, and what it's like to be in the real world.
It really did help shape me as an individual, and it really made my high school transition from middle school a lot less rocky than it was because I had so many people here to support me.
This school has brought me out of my shell and made me do things I never thought I'd be able to do in 9th grade.
If you were to join this school, make sure to learn as much as you can and take that with you in the future, because all of the stuff that you learn now could be very important in the future, and it's best to know more so you can be ahead of other people.
It certainly adds more to the high school experience. I think that being a part of this program and being a part of this school is not a sort of separate identity. It really adds to the experience because you get a sort of curriculum that you wouldn't normally get, and it's an opportunity that I think everyone should take.